When it comes to maintaining a healthy prostate, the foods you eat can have a significant impact. While some foods promote prostate health, others can be detrimental. In this video, we'll explore the top foods that can damage your prostate health. The food at number 5 will shock you. So, stay tuned and make sure to take notes as we dive into this crucial topic for your well-being. First, we have alcohol. Alcohol consumption can have significant adverse effects on prostate health. The prostate gland, which is part of the male reproductive system, is susceptible to various conditions, including prostatitis, benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer. One of the key properties of alcohol that can harm the prostate is its inflammatory effect. Alcohol can increase inflammation in the body, including the prostate, leading to conditions like prostatitis, characterized by painful swelling and irritation. Excessive alcohol intake can also impact hormonal balance, which is crucial for prostate health. Alcohol can interfere with the body's ability to regulate hormones such as testosterone and estrogen. This hormonal imbalance can contribute to the development of BPH, a condition where the prostate enlarges and can cause urinary problems. In some cases, excessive alcohol consumption has been linked to an increased risk of developing prostate cancer. Alcohol's diuretic properties can further exacerbate prostate issues. Diuretics increase urine production, leading to more frequent urination. For individuals with an enlarged prostate or prostatitis, this can be particularly problematic, as it can increase the urgency and discomfort associated with urination. Over time, this can strain the bladder and worsen symptoms. Another significant concern is the impact of alcohol on the immune system. Alcohol can weaken the immune system, making it more difficult for the body to fight off infections and inflammation. For individuals with existing prostate conditions, this weakened immune response can prolong recovery and increase the risk of complications. Next, we have artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners, commonly used as sugar substitutes, have raised concerns about their potential impact on prostate health. These sweeteners, including aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose, are often marketed as healthier alternatives to sugar. However, emerging research suggests that their consumption could have unintended consequences for the prostate gland, which is critical for male reproductive health. One of the primary concerns is the potential for artificial sweeteners to disrupt hormonal balance. The prostate gland relies on a delicate balance of hormones, including testosterone and estrogen, for its proper function. Some studies indicate that artificial sweeteners may interfere with hormone receptors, leading to an imbalance that could negatively affect prostate health. Hormonal disruption is particularly concerning because it can contribute to the development of conditions like benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostatitis. Additionally, artificial sweeteners have been shown to impact gut health, which in turn can affect the prostate. The gut microbiome plays a crucial role in overall health, including the regulation of inflammation and immune response. Artificial sweeteners can alter the composition of gut bacteria, leading to dysbiosis, or an imbalance in the gut microbiome. Next, we have dairy products. Dairy products, while popular and often considered healthy, can have several adverse effects on prostate health. The prostate gland is susceptible to various conditions, including prostatitis, benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer. One of the main concerns with dairy products is their high content of saturated fats. Saturated fats can lead to increased inflammation in the body, which can negatively impact the prostate and contribute to conditions such as chronic prostatitis. Another significant concern is the presence of hormones in dairy products. Dairy cows are often treated with hormones to increase milk production, and these hormones can be present in the milk. Consuming dairy products with these hormones can disrupt the hormonal balance in the body, affecting the prostate. Hormonal imbalances can lead to the development and progression of BPH and increase the risk of prostate cancer. Dairy products are also known to contain various growth factors, such as insulin-like growth factor, IGF-1. IGF-1 is a hormone that promotes cell growth and proliferation. While this is beneficial for growth and development, excessive levels of IGF-1 can stimulate the growth of prostate cells, leading to an increased risk of prostate cancer. Next, we have fried foods. Fried foods, while undeniably delicious, can pose several risks to prostate health. The prostate gland is particularly susceptible to dietary influences, and the consumption of fried foods can exacerbate various prostate conditions. One of the main concerns is the high content of unhealthy fats in fried foods. These fats, particularly trans fats and saturated fats, can lead to increased inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is a known risk factor for prostatitis and can contribute to the development and progression of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer. Another significant issue with fried foods is the formation of harmful compounds during the cooking process. When foods are fried at high temperatures, they can produce advanced glycation, end products, ages, and acrylamides. Ages and acrylamides are toxic compounds that can promote oxidative stress and inflammation. The prostate gland is particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress, and prolonged exposure to these harmful compounds can damage prostate cells and increase the risk of prostate cancer. Fried foods can also contribute to weight gain and obesity, which are risk factors for prostate problems. Excess body weight, especially abdominal fat, is associated with increased inflammation and hormonal imbalances, both of which can negatively impact prostate health. Obesity is linked to a higher risk of developing BPH and can worsen symptoms of prostatitis. The high calorie content of fried foods can lead to an imbalance in energy intake and expenditure, promoting weight gain. Additionally, fried foods are often low in essential nutrients, leading to poor overall diet quality. Next, we have processed meats. Processed meats, commonly found in products like sausages, hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats, pose significant risks to prostate health. These meats are often preserved through smoking, curing, or adding chemical preservatives, which can introduce harmful compounds into the body. One of the main concerns is the presence of nitrates and nitrites in processed meats. These chemical additives, used for preservation and color enhancement, can convert into nitrosamines during digestion. Nitrosamines are potent carcinogens linked to an increased risk of prostate cancer. Another major issue with processed meats is their high content of unhealthy fats, particularly saturated fats and trans fats. These fats can lead to increased inflammation in the body, which can negatively impact the prostate and contribute to conditions such as prostatitis and benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Chronic inflammation is a known risk factor for both the development and progression of prostate conditions. Processed meats also tend to be high in sodium, which can exacerbate hypertension, high blood pressure. Hypertension is a risk factor for both cardiovascular and prostate conditions. High salt intake can lead to fluid retention and increase strain on the urinary system, which can worsen symptoms of BPH and prostatitis. Maintaining a low-sodium diet is crucial for protecting both heart and prostate health. Furthermore, the high calorie content of processed meats can contribute to weight gain and obesity, which are significant risk factors for prostate problems. Excess body weight, especially abdominal fat, is associated with increased inflammation and hormonal imbalances, both of which can negatively impact prostate health. Obesity is linked to a higher risk of developing BPH and can exacerbate symptoms of prostatitis. Processed meats are also rich in advanced glycation, end products, ages, harmful compounds formed when proteins or fats combine with sugars during high-temperature cooking. Ages can promote oxidative stress and inflammation, leading to tissue damage. The prostate gland is particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress, and prolonged exposure to ages can increase the risk of prostate cancer. The consumption of processed meats can negatively impact lipid profiles, leading to increased levels of LDL, bad, cholesterol, and decreased levels of HDL, good, cholesterol. Poor lipid profiles are associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease, which has been linked to prostate health issues. The interplay between cardiovascular health and prostate health, underscores the importance of maintaining a balanced diet. Moreover, processed meats often contain harmful chemicals such as polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, and heterocyclic amines, HCAs, formed during the cooking process, especially when meats are grilled or smoked. These chemicals are known carcinogens and can increase the risk of prostate cancer. Reducing the consumption of processed meats can help lower exposure to these harmful compounds. Processed meats can also impact the gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in overall health, including prostate health. The gut microbiome helps regulate inflammation and immune response. Consuming processed meats can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, leading to dysbiosis. Dysbiosis can increase inflammation and negatively affect the prostate, contributing to conditions such as chronic prostatitis. Insulin resistance is another factor to consider. Processed meats, particularly those high in unhealthy fats and refined carbohydrates, can lead to insulin resistance and metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome is associated with an increased risk of prostate problems. Insulin resistance can promote inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can damage the prostate. Last, we have red meat. Red meat consumption has been linked to various adverse effects on prostate health. The prostate gland is susceptible to dietary influences, and the intake of red meat can exacerbate conditions such as prostatitis, benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer. One primary concern is the high content of saturated fats in red meat. Saturated fats can lead to increased inflammation in the body, which can negatively impact the prostate and contribute to the development and progression of prostate conditions. Another significant concern is the presence of heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, in red meat, especially when it is cooked at high temperatures. HCAs and PAHs are carcinogenic compounds formed during the grilling, frying, or barbecuing of red meat. These harmful compounds can damage DNA and promote the development of cancerous cells in the prostate. Red meat is also rich in heme iron, which can promote oxidative stress. Oxidative stress results from an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. The prostate gland is particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress, and prolonged exposure can lead to chronic inflammation and increase the risk of prostate cancer. Reducing red meat consumption can help lower oxidative stress and protect prostate health. The high caloric content of red meat can contribute to weight gain and obesity, which are risk factors for prostate problems. Excess body weight, particularly abdominal fat, is associated with increased inflammation and hormonal imbalances. These imbalances can negatively impact prostate health and increase the risk of developing BPH and prostatitis. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for protecting prostate health. Furthermore, red meat consumption has been linked to poor lipid profiles, leading to increased levels of LDL bad cholesterol and decreased levels of HDL good cholesterol. Poor lipid profiles are associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease, which has been linked to prostate health issues. The interplay between cardiovascular health and prostate health underscores the importance of maintaining a balanced diet. Red meat can also impact gut health, which plays a crucial role in overall health, including prostate health. The gut microbiome helps regulate inflammation and immune response. Some studies suggest that red meat consumption can alter the composition of gut bacteria, leading to dysbiosis. Dysbiosis can increase inflammation and negatively affect the prostate, contributing to conditions such as chronic prostatitis. The presence of advanced glycation end products, AGEs, in red meat is another concern. AGEs are harmful compounds formed when proteins or fats combine with sugars during high-temperature cooking. AGEs can promote oxidative stress and inflammation, leading to tissue damage. The prostate gland is particularly susceptible to the damaging effects of AGEs, which can increase the risk of prostate cancer.